We will show Day 0, Day 1 automation deploying 1,000 clusters and how this capability allows you to rapidly roll out new services and capabilities to your network. We start with commissioning our secrets and the creation of the site configuration. This is in two parts. One is called the CIQ, the Customer Information Questionnaire, and the other is the Golden Config. We log in. Then we commission our secrets so information such as passwords go into a vault. We load our blueprint for 1,000 sites. The Golden Config is a policy construct with generic information needed for all sites, whereas the CIQ is the specific details, such as IP addresses for a targeted site or multiple sites. In this case, we're using a simple spreadsheet as the source for our CIQ and Golden Config information. Conductor will combine this information. Here is where our individual site files are stored. And this is an example of the site config pulled from the Golden Config and CIQ files. Next, we're going to audit and remediate any issues that we find. We load our audit blueprint and pick some target sites. On the right, we have iDRAC, which is the BMC interface on the server, and Conductor is on the left. A firmware update is required and has been tasked. We refresh our iDRAC and we see the BIOS has been upgraded to version 2.17.1. Now, we're ready to deploy our subclouds. Our controllers are already deployed, and the provisioning of the subclouds occurs through the controllers. We pick the sites and define the controllers. The task graph shows the specific activities, and as they become active, they appear on the geomap. The blue pins represent active sites that are ready for a workload to be installed. Now, we deploy our workload, which in this case is an Intel FlexRAN node. We have deployed one workload package on each of our sites, and our geomap shows 1,000 workloads deployed at 1,000 sites. We now have a fully capable network that leveraged a high degree of automation and allows us to streamline operations, as well as save time and energy, reducing effort and cost.